Hi, welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. Here we have a post heater or preheater, depending on how you want to phrase it, in reference to the heat that comes in from the rear and then feeds through 20 feet of high pressured 3,500 pounds pressure rated coils of 40 feet, comes out and exits it out here and through the panel and the hole on the bottom of your machine. We had 15 years ago when we started building Blue Baron, we had two divided heat exchangers, and one was for a post heater and one was for a preheater. The primary heater at the top of the Blue Baron was only 60 feet. We called it a triplex, but through our patented revision that we have that would count also plurality of coils, we decided, what the heck, we might as well go from a 60 to a 80. So having said that, a lot of the Blue Barons, the older style Blue Barons, only have actually two separate heaters that are about 13 inches long. And one, again, is to add that fourth coil, which is usually in the front, and then the rear one at the bottom. There's two small ones at the bottom. And then the rear one is for your bypass from your unloader to heat your water box. But either way, we decided many years back to go and dedicate all our time into doing the full 40 feet, making it easy, use it as post primary. So in other words, the heat exhaust comes in from this side, from the back of the primary heater, which is at the top. You see a lot of the pictures and videos of our Blue Barons. So this guy, who has a very old Blue Baron that goes way back 15 years, decided he wanted to replace all that stuff at the bottom and put just one big preheater dedicated to give good water box heat and give him a good heat all the way around, especially for winter months. So what we have here is there was a question as to, because he doesn't have his machine here, but I decided to put in these 4.5-inch pipe clamps, these U pipe clamps, and that way you can loosen them up and move them to whatever direction you want in order to get, and notice this is slotted, so you can adjust the height as well as you can the back and forth, so that this can give you a true fit on those TIG welded tabs that are actually on the frame to support this whole structure. So that was the purpose behind that, and it takes out the second guessing and allows you to get a perfect retro fit on his old frame. So that's what I did. It made more sense. And then you can adjust the height and then the depth back and forth as to line up with the tab. So if your tab is over here coming off the frame, you can loosen this up and move it this way. The same token for the front as well. So if you have a tab that's here, you can loosen it up and move it back and make it line up, bolt it up, and secure it in place. So this heat exchanger is all stainless, 3,500 pounds pressure rated. This is what we do. We're #1 in the U.S. and abroad, and worldwide. And so we try really hard to try to make these heat exchangers fit a whole lot of different scenarios, because we know there are guys out there that have homemade rigs. They have, whether it be a ProChem or HydroMaster or whatever they have out there, we supplies the best heat exchangers in the market. Heat is exceptionally stable and high heat, and we use all stainless. And just call us today at 727-505-2989 if you have any questions. This is a multi-directional unit, so that your outlet could have been on this side, inlet on the other side, doesn't really matter. Just a lot of versatility in this great heater. This is all stainless pipe housing as well. So call us again at 727-505-2989, and we'd be glad to answer any of your questions. Thank you.